Hi, my name is Tanya Reyes. I'm in my 4th term of the DC program, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Motion Palpation Institute. The reason why we brought this club to campus is to provide students with additional opportunities to practice and develop palpating and clinical skills. We believe that regular practice is critical to becoming an excellent chiropractor and take developing these skills very seriously. Because we're a fairly new club on campus, one of our goals is to expose students to the MPI organization and what it has to offer, and we'll be focusing on various techniques that you can work on at home, on your own time, and to develop your own palpation skills. In the past, we've had doctors such as Dr. Michael Shacklock, Dr. Leonard Fay come out and speak to us in person, so we're really shooting to get more doctors online. We've had one in the past, last term actually, was our virtual summit where multiple doctors have come in, speak for about an hour, and it's held like a seminar. So I hope you can join in on that. In terms of our membership, you have to have taken CP1 in order to come to our meetings, just because we practice palpations and some skills that you probably have not learned yet. So we'll see you next term, no worries. We will email you when our meetings will be for this term, usually just during the weekday, during the evening for about an hour. If you have any questions at all, I'll leave you with our contact info, and also the QR code will show our Instagram. So I'll leave you off with some words from our executive board. Thank you so much, and I'll see you at Club Row.
Hey everybody, this is Max. I'm currently in Tri-10 over at SCU. And if you're looking for a club that's going to help bridge the gap between what you learn in school and clinical excellence, then MPI Club is for you.
Hi guys, my name's Tara Hall. I'm a 7th term SCU student, and MPI Club has helped me grow tremendously during my time here. First off, my palpation skills are so much better. I used to just go through the motion, but now I can really feel the restrictions and feel the joint movement. Secondly, my adjusting skills have improved a great deal.
Hi SCU fam, my name is Curtis Yang and I'm currently a Term 4 student in the Doctor of Chiropractic program here at SCU. I am currently a member of the E-Board for MPI. MPI really gives me something to look forward to every week away from all the academic work, and really reminds me of why I love chiropractic.
So if you're looking to get better day by day, then MPI Club is absolutely phenomenal.
And hopefully we see a lot of newcomers this term, and hope you guys tune in with us and learn something with the MPI fam.
So I hope that you guys can join MPI Club.